Which one among the following planets is known as the red planet? Jupiter, Venus, Mars, Mercury, and Mars. The largest planet of the solar system is Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Answer: Jupiter.
When was the Pakistan Space and Upper Atmosphere Research Commission Saparco established? 1957, 1960, 1961. Answer: 1961.
Objects that gives out light of their own are said to be luminous, non-luminous, reflective, illuminated. Answer: luminous. Which of the following may causes flu? Bacteria, virus, plant, fungi. Answer: virus. Which of the following animals are warm-blooded? Birds, reptiles, fish, amphibians. Answer: birds. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Venus, Mercury, Earth. Answer: Mercury. The change from liquid to solid, or the reverse of melting, is called melting, freezing, evaporation. Answer: freezing. Which is second largest moon in the solar system? Titan, Ganymede, Callisto. Answer: Titan. What is Vesta an example? Planet, moon, asteroid. Answer: asteroid. Which is the coldest planet in the solar system? Uranus, Neptune, Venus. Answer: Uranus. Which is the largest moon of our solar system? Luna, Ganymede, Titan. Answer: Ganymede. The Earth has one moon and its name is Terra, Luna, Eartha. Answer: Luna. All electromagnetic waves travel through a vacuum at the different speed, the same speed, the increasing speed. Answer: the same speed. Which of the following performs its function by converting electrical energy into motion? Question mark. An electric motor. An electric bulb. An electric iron. Answer: an electric motor. What happens when two opposite poles of magnets are brought close to each other? They repel, they attract, they make an electric current flow, they attract. Which of the following is not a magnetic material? Steel, aluminum, cobalt. Answer: aluminum. When the moon and the sun are on same side of the earth, we see a new moon, full moon, half moon. Answer: new moon.
In which object form sharp and dark shadows? Transparent. Translucent. Opaque. Answer: opaque.
And objects that allow light to travel through them are called transparent, translucent, opaque. Answer: transparent. Light travels in a curved path, zigzag pattern, straight line, circular motion. Answer: straight line.
Thanks for watching.